Hi, Karen here with a really quick video on this fun little card. This is Best Birds, which also does come with framelits. But you can see on the back of the crumb cake, I have just added this little texture that comes right in it. So a little fun detail I wanted to just show is the yellow bird using the gold Wink of Stella pen just actually makes a very striking bird. I also put this top piece is a shimmery white cardstock, so it just adds a lot of glimmer. Great card for any occasion. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this, make sure you have subscribed to my channel to see more videos. Thanks, Karen Titus, Stamping on the Back Porch.